kababayan. Ano po, episode 6 po ng Minecraft Survival Series po. Episode 6 na po. Buti nga po. Ito na po. Mag-join na po ako sa kaibigan ko. Tika na po ako mamatay. If you see the last video, you are awesome. Ayan na po. Magkukuk po ulit tayo. Kakain na po tayo. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Tapos, how did I get 10 iron? Okay, I gotta get up again because we don't have sticks. Like, do you have sticks? I don't have sticks. Me neither. I don't have sticks. I gotta go up. Shoot. I will not break my iron pick until we get diamonds. I will not use 17 redstone? How? Come okay, we're getting up now. It's face mask? Hindi ko alam, nagre-record po ako, tatay. Diba, lahi nagre-record tayo? We're recording. Tatay ko po yon. Nagtatanong lang po. Oh no, I'm trapped. Oh no, I'm not trapped. Oh no! It's nighttime, Lai. How did a zombie villager get here? Lai, is there a village near us? There's literally like two zombie villagers. Yes. There. Back down. I have, do you need sticks? Do you need sticks? I am telling you. I have a lot of sticks in my inventory and going down there. I have literally like 64 sticks. Yeah. I am true. Even to the comments, do I have like sticks? Look. I literally have 64 sticks, mga kababayan. Oh, we're going the wrong way po, mga kababayan. Ah! Nani? Oh, fudge. There we go. I'm back from the top. In the top. I am telling you, do you need literally sticks? I literally have like 1,000,000 sticks in. Wait guys, he disconnected.